Switch extensions to use for soundboards. Blerp is an amazing soundboard that lets users redeem sounds by buying them with bits or redeeming them with channel points. This is depending on how you set this up. It's easy to use, has one function, and therefore very beginner friendly. I've never encountered any problems when using Blerp. Another Twitch extension that you can use is Tangia. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This extension has a lot more to offer than just soundboards, but that's all we're going to look into today. This extension offers a lot of different soundboards, but this website is a little bit more complex in comparison to Blerp. Yet they have a few step guides on how to set everything up. Just like with Blerp, you can use the bits or redeeming channel points for the soundboards. Yet the amount can only be multiplied of the original bit price, unlike with Blerp where you can put any amount that you'd like. As with any extension, always check if they are 100% free to use. Some extensions take a portion of the bits that they get donated to you. You can check this by clicking to any extension and read through the discovery page. I'll make more videos about different Twitch extensions, so stay tuned. And don't forget to join my Discord and Twitch. Link is in my bio.